Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where learning English feels easy, fun, and completely stress-free.
Hey, Emma, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. Wow, really, so many people learning together. That's cool.
Oh, I know, right? Every time I think about it, I'm like, wow, that's amazing. So, Alex, how are you feeling today?
I'm actually feeling great today. The sun is shining, my tea is ready. Yeah, and I'm in a really good mood. What about you?
Oh, I love that energy. Mm, yeah, I'm feeling super energetic too. And honestly, I think it's because of today's topic.
Oh, really? Okay, now I'm interested. So, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about something very simple, something very real, something we all do every single day.
Oh, wait. Sleeping or eating?
Good guess, but nope. Today's topic is talking about your daily life in English.
Oh, wow. That's actually very useful. Like, really useful.
Exactly. Oh, I like that reaction. Because let's be honest, you understand English, you can read English, but when someone asks you, so, how was your day? Dramatic pause. Your mind goes blank.
Yeah, that's me. I know the words, but suddenly I'm like, uh, uh.
Oh my God, that happens to so many learners. And when someone is looking at you, the pressure feels real.
Oh no. Let me think. Not sure. My brain just says, nope.
That's funny, but also very real. But here's the good news. Oh, good point. Listen carefully. You don't need big vocabulary. You don't need perfect grammar. Yeah, you just need simple daily sentences.
Oh, now I understand. So we can speak English using our normal daily life?
Yes, exactly. Wow, that's cool. That's why today's conversation is slow, clear, and perfect for beginners. So before we continue, just relax, okay? Listen carefully, repeat softly, and enjoy the conversation.
And hey, oh, I like this part. Smiles. If you enjoy learning English like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and practice with us every day.
All right, then. Let's start talking about our daily life. So, Alex, interesting question. What time do you usually wake up?
Um, I usually wake up around 7 a.m. Ah, I see. Not too early, not too late.
Oh, that's a good time. Are you a morning person?
Not really. Oh no, I need coffee first. Coffee emoji.
Coffee first, right? I totally get that. So tell me, what's the first thing you do after waking up?
Um, Let me think. Well, the first thing I do is check my phone.
Oh, really? No way. Not even water first?
Oh no, I know, that's a bad habit. Yeah, but I just check messages, maybe the time, and then I get out of bed.
Oh, that makes sense. Honestly, so many people do that.
Oh, good. I thought it was just me.
No, no, you're not alone. All right, after getting out of bed, what's next?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I make coffee.
Oh, coffee again. Wow, you really love coffee, huh?
Are you kidding? Coffee is my best friend.
Oh my God, that's funny. Okay, beginners, did you notice something?
Oh, good point. We're using very simple sentences.
Exactly. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I make coffee. Interesting, right? Simple, but very useful.
Oh, now I understand. You don't need long sentences.
Yes! Oh, I like that. All right, let's continue. So, Alex, after breakfast, do you work or study?
Let me think. I work. I usually start work at 9 a.m.
Oh, that's nice. Do you work from home?
Yeah, I work from home. Honestly, I like it.
Wow. Really? No traffic, no rush?
Exactly. Oh, that's the best part.
Oh, I see. That sounds comfortable.
I sit at my desk, turn on my laptop, and start working.
Oh, good point again. These sentences are perfect for beginners. I work from home. I start work at 9 a.m. Simple, clear, natural. Okay. Interesting question. What do you do during your break?
Let me think. During my break, I drink tea, walk a little, and sometimes, just for a second, listen to music.
Oh, wow, that's cool. Music really helps.
Yeah, it relaxes my mind.
I like that answer. All right. After work, what do you usually do in the evening?
After work, I feel tired. Oh no. But I try to relax.
Same here.
I sometimes watch TV, sometimes go for a walk, or just sit and relax.
Oh, now I understand. So your evening is very calm.
Yeah. I like peaceful evenings.
And let me guess, at night you feel sleepy very fast?
Oh my God, yes. Are you reading my mind?
That's funny.
After dinner, I feel sleepy. I check my phone. Oh no, again.
Phone again.
I know. And then I go to bed around 11 p.m.
Oh, that's a good time. Not too late. So let's quickly repeat. Okay. Listen carefully. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I make coffee. I start work at 9 a.m. I relax in the evening. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Oh, good job. See? Daily life English is not difficult.
Yeah. You just need practice, little by little. So, dear listeners, try to talk about your daily life. Okay? Use simple sentences. Don't be afraid.
And remember, mistakes are okay. That's how we learn.
All right, then. This was our daily life conversation for today. Practice it, repeat it, and use it in real life.
Wow, that was fun.
Yes, it was. See you in the next episode.